to this meditation for self-love and worthiness. Its intention is to remind you of the unlimited potential that is already present within you. So let's start this journey of stillness and inner contentment. Please come to find a very comfortable seat. So maybe sit up on a cushion or even a chair if it helps you to sit upright and tall. Rest your hands on your thighs with the palms facing down or up, whatever feels best to you right now in this moment. Gently close your eyes. Take your time to consciously arrive in this moment, in your now. In your environment, in your body, in this room. Allow your hips to get really heavy and imagine your sit bones rooting down into the surface you're sitting on. From this place of deep groundedness, imagine you're like a flower that can grow even taller. By lengthening the crown of the head ever so slightly up to the sky. Notice how long and tall your spine is in this position. Your chin dips ever so slightly. Relax your jaw and soften all the tiny little facial muscles around your eyes and your forehead. And now, please place your attention on your breath. Notice how it feels when you inhale and when you exhale. Every inhale through the nose and every exhale out the same way. All by itself. No need to shape or stretch the breath in any way. Just let your breath flow naturally. And then let everything go that no longer serves you. Let all assumptions about everything that you think you know go. Allowing your body and mind to relax deeper and deeper with every breath that you take. Enjoy being in this present state. There's nothing else but you and your now moment. Take pleasure in the simplicity of this with each and every breath that passes. Again and again, there is always a new moment of now. Nothing more and nothing less. Always now. And if your thoughts start wandering, be easy on yourself. That's totally normal. Just notice them without labeling them and release them with your next exhale. You may notice an inner sense of stillness, relaxation, and ease beginning to arise from deep within you. Each and every cell in your body is vibrating stillness, relaxation, and ease. I now invite you to repeat a mantra that you can take out with you into the rest of your day. Repeat it either silently in your mind or out loud. Either way, say it with full conviction, knowing that your words are so powerful and of immense potential. I am doing enough. I have enough. I am enough. I am doing enough. I have enough. I am enough. I am doing enough. I have enough. I am enough. I am doing enough. I have enough. I am enough. Slowly return back, become aware of your body, your surroundings, and the surface of what you're sitting on. Begin to deepen your breath And thank yourself for taking this time to come back to your true and present self, to your inner knowing that you are enough, because you are. And appreciate this moment, knowing that no matter what happens later this day, there will always be another moment of now. And with that, a new opportunity for you to come to this place of deep inner knowing of your enoughness. Bring your hands together in front of the chest. You can dip your chin slightly. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes again. Namaste. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. If you did, please let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with a friend. Practice again with you soon. Namaste.